In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. Whether you're attending a concert, sporting event, or theater production, there may come a time when you need to sell your tickets. Luckily, Ticketmaster provides a straightforward platform for doing just that, and today, I'll guide you through each step of the process. First things first, it's essential to ensure that you're logged into your Ticketmaster account. If you haven't created an account yet, no worries. It's quick and easy to set up by visiting the Ticketmaster website and following their straightforward registration process. Once you have your account sorted and you're logged in, we're ready to move forward. After logging in, take a moment to check your profile. This ensures that all your details are correct and up to date, which is vital when you're about to list tickets for sale. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout of your account, as this will make the selling process smoother. Once you're comfortable with your profile, look for the Sell button located at the top of your homepage. This is your gateway to putting your tickets up for sale. Click on the Sell option, and it will direct you to a new page designed just for sellers like you. On this new page, you'll find all the ways to sell your tickets. Take a few moments to browse through the options and get a sense of what's available. The platform offers guidance on listing tickets, whether they're for a past event or an upcoming one. So, rest assured, all your ticket selling needs are covered right here. At this point, you can begin the process of listing your tickets. The platform is designed to make this as hassle-free as possible, meaning you can focus on setting the right price and getting your tickets seen by potential buyers. As you follow along with the on-screen instructions, Ticketmaster will guide you through each step, ensuring that your tickets are up and ready for sale in no time. Finally, once your tickets are listed, you can sit back and let Ticketmaster handle the heavy lifting. The platform's robust selling tools provide a seamless and worry-free selling experience. And just like that, you've successfully placed your tickets up for sale on Ticketmaster. So there you have it, you can now enjoy selling tickets on Ticketmaster with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy selling! If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Until next time.